the purpose of the chat is just to take a day every Monday where we can kind of uplift, empower, and inspire black men to be different, be great, and never stop. So we come up with different topics that pertain to black male development from adolescence all the way to grown men, and just have this dialogue with people across the world about issues pertaining to black men. Health has been a very huge topic for us to cover. So we covered various areas. We covered AIDS and HIV. We've covered diabetes. We've covered sickle cell. A host of different issues that pertain to Black America, and in particular Black men. And so we wanted to make sure we talked about these issues, because if we don't, then they're silent killers. And so we wanted to make sure we get that out there and share resources, share organizations across the country that are doing the work. Talk about, you never know who's going to chime in and who's listening. So talking about ways to actually reach these particular communities. And it's so powerful because you see, if I tweet something about, Connecticut Health Foundation, then if somebody sees that, they retweet it. I have close to 2,500 followers, and to say they have 5,000 followers, that means that in the span of 30 seconds, 7,500 people possibly know now about this resource to share with others. The role of social media is huge. When you look at the races that are on, in particular Twitter, African American population is actually the highest percentage.
Yep.
And so it's very crucial to use social media, because it's a way to actually share your words, where I think in many cases just throughout history that group, that population of people, that their voice has kind of been silent, and they haven't really had the opportunity to share. So between Facebook, Twitter, Foursquare, there's so many different social media tools or outlets. It really allows people to disseminate information out to others that before somebody on the West Coast would not know stuff that's going on in Connecticut, or about a health fair in Texas, but you live in Michigan. And so that's why it's so powerful to reach the masses, that you can really amass a huge following and disseminate information to people across the country about resources pertaining to them to help uplift, empower, and inspire them.